Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you a little different. I'm going to show you another um how I fix all the shelves on my figurines and mugs like that. So yeah, unfortunately I have bad news. I post you my Cruella de Vil broken mug. So fortunately I had to get rid of her. So here are the things we got on the shelf. So first we have things on above here. Right there we have. And also we have some random stuff like keychains, beanie babies, and mugs like that. And also more of these things right here. Oh, sorry about that. Donald is like poking on his head out. Right there. There's some more in the back, but I don't want to show. And also here is my non-Disney figurines. So we have like Minions, SpongeBob, Bluey, and Hello Kitty, and Super Mario. But I know Bluey should be in the Disney because Disney June did bought the um Bluey, but I don't want to, so it should just be in its own shelf. Also here is my Disney one. So here is my first Disney animated studio collection right here with all the characters right here. Very nice. There's some things I like to ting right here. You can see right there as well. And also he have a Pixar section right here. And as you know, I am a huge Pixar fan right there. And here is another Disney Animated Studios one right here. Very nice and like well. And also here is my Disney Sleeping Beauty collection. I love that movie. This is my all-time favorite Disney movie. I was planning to fit these two, but there's just no space. So yeah. And also here are some of my figurines. So some of my Disney figurines that are I mix the Disney and Pixar. So we have the first one, the second one, and more of the figurines right there and more. And I also have like books right there as well. They're very nice. And my mugs right there and the snow globes, motion globes, I don't know. Here is a Minnie Mouse bag that I got from my trip in the Philippines. So I'm gonna pause and show you the next room wall. Hold on. Just our prayer room of our puppet, our Jesus and the Virgin Mary. So yeah. My collection right here. This is the collection right here. This is mostly where all the dolls are. Right here we have my Disney dolls right there. There we have all the Disney dolls and puzzles and like that. And all the puzzles and games. We have some Disney bags. All the dolls. That is actually a knock. Here is a Disney Store Maleficent plushie. And here are all my cartoon plushies. I love like Disney, SpongeBob, Bluey. I would like to get more. This sword remind me like the Star Wars I got from Family Fun Day in the fair. I had to get it. You can see Monster High. So I'm gonna show you, and we have some things. So I'm gonna pause and show you what is the next one. We have a Hello Kitty thing right here. And also I just want to show you my Beanie Babies plushies and Mickey and Minnie graduations of Valentine's Day. And here's Goopy and Donald looking out the window. Very fun. I like to display it. We have more plushies on the table right there. And here up top we can see some Disney Plus Tsum Tsum Maleficent of Mickey and Minnie. Here are my DVDs of them right here. I have DVDs right there. We have non-Disney and Disney DVDs and also some Blu-rays. I actually fit all my laminator, and I just bought a laminator to laminate my things, so it's not upstairs, downstairs, so. And also, we have this thing. I might throw that away because I'm not really. Those two I might throw away. And also, my plushies right there. This is mostly my bed and like that. So, this is mostly the collection right now. So, I just want to say, if you're going to be, if you like my collection room, sorry if I didn't show anything because this is the only thing where I can display my collection in my new house. So yeah, I just want to show you my favorite thing of all. The the ones are my favorite. I actually gotta take a picture for my post. So yeah, that is my collection room tour. So update. So bye.